and salutations all. In this video, we're going to be downloading and installing RStudio for Windows. To begin, open up your web browser and go to rstudio.com. Once you're on RStudio's homepage, go to Products. Underneath Open Source, select RStudio. Scroll down on the page until you see RStudio Desktop and select that option. Scroll down a little bit further until you get to where you see Download RStudio Desktop. And scroll down a little bit further to where you see the RStudio Desktop Open Source License free, and then press Download. On this page, we'll finally actually be able to download RStudio. So go ahead and press Download RStudio for Windows. And in the lower left corner, it should finish relatively quickly. Once it's done downloading, we're going to go ahead and launch the installer. Press yes. And then we're going to begin going through the RStudio installer. So select Next. Select Next because we don't need to change the destination folder. And we're going to allow it to have an entry in the Start menu. So just go ahead and press Install. Once this is done, it's going to take a little bit of time for RStudio to install. Once it's done, press Finish. In the lower left-hand corner, go to the Windows menu and scroll down until you see RStudio, or you can go and click it up above. And we're going to allow crash reports. And then from there, let's just test to see everything is working. So 1 + 1 is 2. So congratulations, you've installed RStudio for Windows correctly.